What you're about to see is the guided hand workout on the snare, and then I'll transition it into a fill so you can see what you're about to learn today. Think of this like the gym for your double strokes, paradiddles, and overall hand speed, and it'll pay dividends for you in your fills and your overall creative expression. It's built from 3 essential rudiments, whether you've just learned your double stroke roll, and check out this video here if you need help with that, or whether you're looking to master your rudiments at rapid fire to create some seriously advanced drum fills, there's something here for you. This is Speed Lab 1. Let's go. Let's unpack each part clearly so you know exactly how to practice it and can piece it together. Once you've got the second part down as well and know how to combine the two, this is going to slide right into your flow and become something you actually reach for in real playing situations. After that, you'll practice this with me at a beginner, intermediate, and advanced tempo before learning how to turn it into a fill. To begin, we'll start with the Paradiddlediddle. If you don't know what that is yet, it's right, left, right, right, left, left. We'll play that twice, so right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, and then finish it off with 2 double strokes, right, right, left, left. Practice this first building block with me at 70 BPM as 16th notes or semiquavers. I'll play it 4 times. So once you've played it through, just jump back to the start of this chapter and keep playing it until you're comfortable with the pattern. They say a good musician practices until he/she gets it right. A great musician practices until they can't play it wrong. Great, so the next building block to add is one you'll all know and be comfortable with. Paradiddles. We're going to play the previous exercise 3 times, and then on the 4th time, we're just going to play straight paradiddles. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Simple, but powerful. Let's practice the whole exercise first at our learning tempo of 70 BPM. Again, I'll play it 4 times, so just jump back if you need to and keep playing it until you can memorize the pattern. Now that it's learned, let's practice it at our beginner tempo of 100 BPM. If you've just started, this may be a bit of a push, but don't worry. Start wherever you can, go up in increments of 5 BPM, and you will get there. This is not out of reach. Great, now we're going to make a big jump for the intermediate tempo. This is about the maximum speed that you'll be able to do before we need to have a little chat about technique, which we'll do later. For now, see if you can do this at 150 BPM with your wrists only. I know this is a big jump, but keep working on it every day and then come back to this video when you're feeling like you've got it down and see if you can do it with me. I know you can do this. If you could do that, very well done. You've pretty much maxed out how fast you can play this without employing a new technique. From 160 BPM, maybe 155 and above, you'll need to start using your fingers. The thing to know here is bigger muscle groups, think your shoulders or your arms, are yes, more powerful, but what they're not is fast. Smaller muscle groups, think your fingers, are yes, less powerful, but what they are is fast. This is the mantra. Your arms are the least fast, your wrists are faster, and your fingers are the fastest. So in order to pull this off at fast tempos, make sure to use your fingers, and in particular, the push-pull technique. If you don't know how to do that yet, I've got a whole video breaking it down on this channel. Search for how to build your double stroke roll from scratch. It'll help you out. So for the advanced guys and girls out there, what we're gonna do is play this at 100 BPM. Now I know what you're thinking, wait, you want us to play this slower? Not quite. Slower in tempo, but what we're going to do is double the subdivision. So we'll play this in 30-second notes. That's the equivalent of 16th notes at 200 BPM. Quite a push, quite fast. I know you can do this. Okay, so to make this a 2-bar fill, all we're going to do is put all the right hand accents on the ride with the bass drum underneath, and all the left hand accents on a crash with a bass drum underneath. Let's do it. If this helped you, please hit like and leave a comment what your top speed on this is. I'd love to know. I've got more Speed Lab lessons on the way, so subscribe if you'd like to see that, and the online school is making progress. If you want to join the waitlist, find that newsletter link in the description and sign up, and you'll be the first to know when it's launched. Thank you so much for watching.